Assemble the organizer outside of your Jeep's center console. Start with the long piece in the kit, with the straight edge to the right. Notice the orientation arrows. Insert one small piece into the center slot of the long piece. Insert the two remaining small pieces into the long piece, but on the opposite side of the first assembled small piece. Your organizer is now ready to place inside of your Jeep's center console. Place the organizer into the console with the single small piece facing down. Slide into the console and place at a 45-degree angle with the single small piece facing the front left corner. Once the organizer is flat at the bottom of the console, rotate it 45 degrees counterclockwise so that it snaps into position with the single small piece facing the driver's seat. This high-quality American-made product by BaseLayer will help you stay organized for years to come.